Hey babes, how are you? Hopefully you're doing great. Happy Women's Day to you women out there, your heroes. I love you. So this video today is just like a comeback video. You can see the format is not right for YouTube, but I was just like, you know, let me just drop this content right there. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can do a touch-up on your wigs just in case it's starting to lift. So this was a 7-day wig touch-up after the install. Yeah, and then you can see I was trying to sew back the baby hairs. I used the gorilla glue, the gorilla gel glue, whatever, but it's not the glue, the gorilla gel to do my baby hairs. I find that it holds them longer than some of the gels I've used. So I soap it back, but then I was doing this video, but I recorded this video, but I was going to take it off and do my birthday wig. This was my pre-birthday dinner wig. So I was going to take it off. Then I was like, how about I do a quick video to show my ladies that do wig installs with me. Hey, I also do wig installs as well as custom wigs, bridal hairstyling, like wig maintenance. So I was like, if I take it off, because one side was starting to lift, why can't I do a quick touch up wig instead of someone like, because it's lifting, what other customers do, they just take it off, the whole thing. Yet in actual sense, just a spray, or you can add a little glue down there, but I didn't want to go through all that because I was going to take it off. What I did, I just used the got to be spray, the yellow bottle, and I went over the whole lace, though it was only one part lifting, but to get a more melted look, especially where there are no baby hairs there in the front. So I go over there, spray, and then tie. Yeah, that's the band you see there. So tie down for about 10-15 minutes. You can do other things, or if you have like a dryer at home, you can sit in there, but usually, because I work from home, so I just go over, like, continue go on with my, let's say, doing makeup if I have to do it, or do other things while my wig is drying up. So what I'm doing there, I'm just gonna show you how versatile our curly goddess unit is, guys. So that was, I was applying a heat protectant and the bio silk. So there I'm showing you guys that with this unit, actually it's my favorite unit. I'm a curly girl here, but this is Bay 24/7. Give me that curly goddess unit, I'm good, baby. So you see it, and I put even what, less effort. Oh my, I can't speak. Yeah, it's been long, guys, without doing these videos. So I even didn't, oh my god, I can speak. I even didn't use too much effort because I knew I didn't, why, that wasn't the point of me straightening it, but I just wanted to show you that you can straighten it and you can see. Imagine if that was your agenda, like I want to straighten it. It can't come out so good. But so then there I go into spray to bring the curls back to life, than the fluffy look, the puffy look of the comb out. And yeah, what I usually do, I just mix mousse and water to save time, and I comb. If you have curly hair, comb your hair, your wig, starting all your weaving, starting from the bottom, going up, bottom moving upwards, bottom moving upwards. That way, even if there are tangles, like it won't be like so much tangled and everything. And there I was trying to throw in some curls, but still not putting in too much effort because I was time bad. First of all, I don't know why I always put myself last minute, but from this birthday I decided if I have to do something, I gotta put myself on the schedule for like a certain day, like these hours. I'm also my own client, because you end up looking a hot mess, yet you're the real person that sells and offers these services. So you can see if that was my my agenda, like for me to curl it, it can easily curl, but I wasn't even holding it for like 5 seconds or something. And then it was just me demonstrating, just trying to show you that yeah, you can curl it, you can leave it in its original texture, the curly texture, you can straighten it, you can curl it, and that's it. Oh, please, babes, don't forget to like and follow for more pieces of advice regarding hair. Yeah, because I know a good wig doesn't come that cheap, as some of the customers say, but what is cheap may not be cheap to the other. So we all have different meanings or understandings of what cheap and expensive is. But a good custom made wig, you should take care of it. You should take care of it so that it's worth your money. Because I say good quality hair is an investment. This is something you're gonna wear for like 2 to 3 years or even more. Yeah, if you take good care of it. So you can see I put it in the middle part just to show you. You can put it on the side. You can put it in the middle part. You can do so much with this. Is a frontal, a 13x4. So the lace is from ear to ear, and that's it. Then there I was going in, spraying again, spraying the whole unit. Check how the curl is popping, guys. Check that. Check that out, guys. Don't forget, I'm a custom wig maker at Remain the Goddess, www.remainthegoddess.com. Look at me, I was feeling myself. Trust me, when I have curly hair on my head, you can tell me nothing, I'm telling you. I'm like a whole vibe. Look at me. Honey, I was feeling myself. Check that out. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. All my videos are gonna be like educative. Apart from I have few vlogs like maybe concerning fashion, a few workouts. I started working out, but on my own pace, guys. Like I started working out on my own pace to get back in shape. Yeah. Okay, Mamacita. Then there, I think just throwing in a few hairstyles that you can do. This is a hairstyle I can recommend for bridesmaids if they have those long curly wigs. That's a whole ponytail right there. A whole ponytail. I I usually like to throw in there, like, because someone might be like,